Welcome to M2 Host. Website backups are essential for ensuring the safety and security of your site. They help minimize downtime and make recovery faster in case of accidental data loss, server issues, malware attacks, or human error. If you ever face such issues in the future, having a backup allows you to restore your website quickly. And no, it's not as complicated as it may seem, nor do you necessarily need help from your web hosting provider. Today we will learn how to take full cPanel account backup and restore the backup from cPanel. The tutorial will be split into two parts. Part 1: How to generate backup. First, log into your cPanel. Then scroll down to Files section and click Backups. Under Full Backup, click Download a full account backup. Choose your backup destination. The home directory is the most common option. If you'd like to receive a notification when the backup is finished, enter your email address. Click on the Generate Backup. Once the backup is ready, download the file to your local device. Part 2: How to restore backup. Log back into your cPanel account. Go to the Files section and click Backup Wizard. Click on the Restore button and select the type of backup you want to restore. Click on Choose File and locate the backup file you previously saved on your computer. Click Upload to start the restoration process. You have successfully taken full cPanel account backup and restore the backup from cPanel. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates.